This is our porch, right? From here, this is the ceiling, and then the roof. You see the roof? You see? See? No rain will beat here. In this area, no rain. You see? No space. So, rain will not come here in this area. So, this is the porch. And then, this is our area here. This is the bathroom. Then, this is the bedroom, guest room. And then, that one, the home theater. This is your home theater. This is your home theater. So, not finished yet. But the roof, you see the roof? You see? That area and then that area, not finished. The carpenter will put cement there in that area. So, here, no water will come. You see the ceiling? The ceiling here too, we will put ceiling. Okay, so no rain. From there, this one, the railings, we will take out this one to make this area cool. We will take this out, the railings. This one too, the railings, this one will take out. So only the post will remain here. So that area from there to here, there to there. So the roof is here. No rain. This is the bathroom. From our kitchen we'll go to the bathroom. No rain will beat. No rain. Okay.